Hi, this is Karen Yu. So sa mga naghahanap ng staycations para sa big groups, pang workmates, pang pamilya, pang barkada, we have a 2-bedroom unit for you. It's highly rated at paborito ng lahat. Unit 1186, easy access to elevator. At ito ang ating kitchen. We provide you full kitchenwares. Ayan. At ang ating bathroom with complimentary items and towels. Plus, this is bedroom number 1 with ceiling fan and aircon. If you need a work desk too. At ang bedroom number 2, queen size bed, ceiling fan and aircon, and we provide extra foam mattresses. Ito ang maluwang na living room and dining room. At fast Wi-Fi with smart TV. And of course, ang magandang view. Itong magandang view, amenity view. Ayan. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Book na!